Hi children, good morning all. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. You all are celebrating Diwali. Wish you and your family a very happy, prosperous Diwali. Enjoy your day. Let's start today's session. In the last class, I have done half lesson. Before I start today's session, let us listen a rhyme about Diwali.
बच्चे बहुत मजे करते हैं जिस त्योहार में वो है दिवाली। चिन्नू पप्पू और चिट्टी हो गए नहा के तैयार। पापा के दिए नए कपड़े पहन के हो गए वो तैयार। दिवाली दिवाली मम्मी पापा का आशीर्वाद लिया और दोनों से तोहफे भी मिले। रंगोली पे दिए सजा के उसे और भी सुंदर बना दिया। फुलझड़ी को जलाकर खुशी से नाचने लगे हम सब। चरखी अनार रॉकेट जलाकर खुशी से झूम उठे हम सब। दिवाली दिवाली पटाखों के फूटने की आवाज सारी धरती पे सुनाई देती है। आसमां में रंग बिरंगी रॉकेट भी आकर्षक है। दिवाली पे मिलने वाली मिठाइयाँ सबको बहुत पसंद है। दिवाली का ये जगमग त्योहार हम सब मिलके मनाते हैं।
How's the rhyme, children? I hope all of you have enjoyed the rhyme. Let's start today's session. In the last class, I have done half lesson. I'll ask some question. We'll recall it. Why did Sohan lie down pretending to be dead? Why did Sohan lie down pretending to be dead? Yes, why did he lie down? Sohan lie down pretending to be dead? Because his parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. Bears do not attack dead creatures. Let's continue today's lesson. I will complete this lesson today. Then I will give some notes. You have to complete the notes and don't forget to study for exams. December 7th, there is FA2 exam. Please, children, please don't forget to study for exam. Study well. When Rohan saw the bear going away, he climbed down the tree and asked Sohan, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" Neela! Where was Rohan? Yeah, Rohan climbed the tree. Then after going away the bear, Rohan climbed down from the tree and asked Sohan, "What did bear whisper?" Whisper means what? Whisper, speak softly without hearing others speak softly in Sohan's ear. What in your ears? Then what Sohan replied? He said to me, "Never travel with a person who leaves you behind in the hour of need. Isn't it good? Replied Sohan. What he replied? He told, Bear told me, when the difficulties comes, if the person won't help us, so don't travel with that person. These words Bear told me. So he replied to Rohan. So he told, Isn't it good? Replied Sohan. Is it good that? Yeah, when difficulties comes, we have to help others, not leaving them. We have to help others. So this is a lesson. Lesson is completed. Let's write the notes. All the filling the blanks are completed. Now Roman number 6. Leave a line. Continue to write the notes. Roman number 6. Answer the following. 1. Who were the two friends in the story? Two friends. Here the was left. So I have written up. You have to write on the line. Who were the two friends in the story? Two friends. Answer. Rohan and Sohan were the two friends in the story. Two friends. Number 2. Where were Rohan and Sohan walking? Rohan and Sohan were walking in the forest. Third one. Who chased Rohan and Sohan? The bear chased Rohan and Sohan. Number 4. What did Rohan do when he saw the bear? When Rohan saw the bear, he ran fast and climbed up the tree. Number 5. What did the bear do to Sohan? The bear sniffed Sohan's still face and thought him to be dead. Number 6. What did Rohan ask Sohan after the bear went away? Here also the is left, so I have written up. You have to write on the line. Answer. After the bear went away, Rohan asked with Sohan, What did the bear whisper in your ear? Number 7. What was Sohan's reply to Rohan? Sohan replied, Never travel with a person who leaves you behind in the hour of need. 8. Why did Sohan lie down pretending to be dead? Sohan lay down pretending to be dead because his parents had told him that bears do not attack dead creatures. Children, write your notes neatly. This complete notes I have given. So complete your notes. In the next class, I will teach another lesson, not another poem. So this lesson and notes is completed. Write neatly in your notebook. Thank you.